Want to make your TikTok experience more engaging? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to enable animated thumbnails so your videos come to life as you scroll through your feed. It's a small change that can make a big difference. Start by opening the TikTok app and making sure you're signed into the right account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Then, tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right to open the menu. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll down the list of options until you see Accessibility and tap to open it. Inside the Accessibility settings, find the Animated Thumbnails option. If it's currently disabled, simply tap it once to turn it on. That's all you need to do. Now you'll see video previews as you browse, adding a smoother and more interactive feel to your TikTok feed. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our simple tech tutorials.